When installing Guardian, the mesh must be long enough to block the entire space between the modules and the surface of the roof. The top edge of the mesh must fall within the module frame width, and must be long enough so that the bottom can be bent outward from the array, providing ample contact with the roof. This ensures that pests will not be able to squeeze beneath the edge and into the enclosed area beneath the panels. At the array corners, the bottom of the mesh can be clipped so that it can more easily wrap around the system. If rail ends or conduit protrude outside of the array edges, gaps can be clipped to allow them through. This will also allow for the mesh to continuously meet the edges of the modules and preserve contact with the array all the way around. Just be sure that the gap is cut tight against the object. Leave a space too large, and it may create a point of entry for critters.